How to invest in the metaverse. The world is changing faster than ever. And one of the most exciting frontiers of that change is the metaverse, a digital universe where people live, work, play, and even invest. But here's the big question. How can you actually make money from it? How do you invest in the metaverse wisely without getting lost in the hype or losing your hard-earned money? In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about investing in the metaverse, the real opportunities that exist today, and how to build long-term wealth in a world that's becoming increasingly digital. Let's start with what the metaverse actually is. It is not just a buzzword or a sci-fi concept. It is a network of virtual worlds that merge physical and digital realities through technology like augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and blockchain. Imagine attending meetings with coworkers in virtual offices, shopping for digital clothes for your avatar, or buying virtual land that increases in value over time, all without leaving your home. That's the metaverse. And while it might sound futuristic, it's already happening. Companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, and Roblox are investing billions to build this new digital ecosystem. So, how can you get involved as an investor? There are several paths, each with its own risks and rewards. The most straightforward way to invest in the metaverse is through Metaverse-related stocks and ETFs. These include companies that are building the hardware, software, and infrastructure that power virtual reality and online experiences. For example, Meta Platforms is betting heavily on virtual reality through its Oculus products. Nvidia is creating the chips and graphics processing that power 3D worlds. And Unity software provides the tools developers use to build immersive experiences. By investing in these companies, you're indirectly investing in the metaverse's growth. Another option is Metaverse ETFs, exchange-traded funds that give you exposure to a basket of companies working on virtual technology. This helps you diversify your investment instead of betting on just one company. Some popular Metaverse ETFs include the Roundhill Ball Metaverse ETF, Metaverse ETF, Metaverse ETF-verse. They include companies like Roblox, Apple, Microsoft, and Qualcomm, all of which have a stake in the future of virtual experiences. If you're more tech-savvy or willing to take higher risks, you can explore Metaverse real estate. Platforms like Decentraland, The Sandbox, and Otherside allow you to buy virtual land, build experiences, and even rent or sell digital properties for profit. Think of it as digital real estate, just like buying land in the physical world, except everything exists online and is powered by blockchain technology. Some investors have already made 6 or 7 figures by buying early in popular virtual areas. But remember, this market is highly speculative. Values can swing dramatically, and not all projects will survive long-term. If you choose to invest here, treat it like a high-risk, high-reward opportunity and never put in money you can't afford to lose. You can also invest in metaverse-related cryptocurrencies and tokens. Many virtual worlds use their own native currencies for transactions. For instance, Mana is used in Decentraland. Sand is used in the Sandbox. And Ape is tied to Otherside and Bored Ape Yacht Club projects. Owning these tokens can give you both investment exposure and utility within those ecosystems, like voting rights, exclusive access, or the ability to buy digital assets. However, crypto markets are volatile. Prices can skyrocket in days or crash overnight. The key here is understanding utility. Invest in tokens that actually have long-term use, not just hype. Beyond direct investments. That is another powerful way to benefit from the investing in the picks and shovels, meaning the tools and infrastructure that make the metaverse work. This includes chipmakers like Nvidia and AMD, cloud computing providers like Amazon and Microsoft, and software developers like Unity or Unreal Engine. Think about it. During the gold rush, the people who sold the picks and shovels often made more consistent money than the miners themselves. The same principle applies here. But here's the most important truth. The metaverse is still in its early stages. Just like the early days of the internet in the 1990s, there's a lot of uncertainty, speculation, and volatility. Some companies will become giants, while others will disappear entirely. That's why your best strategy as an investor is to diversify, research deeply, and think long-term. Don't chase hype, Invest in real utility, innovation, and adoption. Look for projects and companies that are solving real problems, building infrastructure, or offering services that make the metaverse more accessible to everyday users. Before investing, ask yourself 3 critical questions. 1. Do I understand what I'm investing in? If you can't explain it simply, you probably don't understand it well enough. 2. Is this project or company solving a real problem or just following a trend? 3. What's my exit strategy? In fast-changing industries like this, timing matters. So have a plan before you jump in. Remember, the goal isn't to get rich overnight. It is to build wealth steadily and intelligently. If you approach the metaverse like a long-term investor with patience, diversification, and a focus on fundamentals, you could position yourself for massive opportunities over the next decade. So, should you invest in the metaverse? The answer is yes, but wisely. Start small, do your research, and invest in areas you understand. You don't need to spend thousands on virtual land to participate. You can begin by owning shares in companies shaping the future of digital worlds, or adding Metaverse ETFs to your portfolio. The future of the internet is being built right now, and like every major technological shift, those who learn early and take calculated risks are the ones who benefit the most. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts on the metaverse and where you see it heading. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new videos on investing, personal finance, and the future of money. The metaverse isn't just coming, it's already here. The question is, will you be a spectator or will you be an investor in this next revolution?